To create a template in Canva, let me go over to my home page to open a design I had already worked on. So this is a carousel design I worked on here in Canva. And to make this into a template so that you can get a copy of it, I would come over to share here and I'm going to click on template link. Once I click on that, you can see that anyone with this link can use this design as a template. Sign-in is required, but I will not know that you made a copy of this design. So I'm going to click on create template link, and it has created this link. I will copy this link, and this is the link I'm going to share with anybody I want to have a copy of this template. If you want to grab a copy of this template, I will link it in the description. Go check it out and use it for your design. And if you want to see how to utilize the templates, I'll also link a video to it in the description.